mechanism of legs and antenna, of cameras and computers, is set for the most complex mission of any unmanned spacecraft yet, a soft landing on the moon. Its padded tripod feet are wide like snowshoes and collapsible, allowing for contact with either a soft or a hard surface. The blast-off atop an Atlas Centaur rocket at Cape Kennedy is near perfect, but space scientists say the odds are against a successful landing on this very first U.S. attempt. Animated drawings show what goes on after the rocket goes out of camera range. Protective panels and a nose coating drop off first. Four minutes after launch, the Atlas booster separates. This is to be the first of 7 Surveyor flights. If successful, cameras will transmit pictures for 12 days, giving information vital to landing a man on the moon. Minutes after launch, going at 25,000 miles per hour, the Centaur separates, leaving Surveyor to go it alone. The Surveyor, its direction changed in mid-flight, begins its final approach and descent 41 miles away from the moon. Commands from Earth had caused it to yaw and roll, so that its antenna points earthward. It's braking rockets to the moon. Once the rockets start their retro thrust, Surveyor is on its own. The control center in Pasadena can only wait and hope that the climax of a 6-year, $800 million project will be a happy one. And a happy ending it is. 63 hours after takeoff and going but 8 miles per hour, the Surveyor sets down gently in the designated site. Then within minutes it aims its camera at its own foot, and the photographic signals start back to Earth some 250,000 miles away. The remarkable picture is not the first from the moon, but it is the first a spacecraft ever took of itself. The rocky lunar surface seen next can provide a safe landing now for a camera, later for a man. The 50th Indianapolis Motor Speedway Classic has nearly perfect weather, a crowd of almost 300,000, and the fastest field in history. The greatest of all automobile contests gets underway with 33 participants. Just before 11 a.m., the cars are in the hands of the starter. 200 laps will test man and machines. 4 former winners of the 500 are in the international field. 7 rookies also seek shares of the nearly $700,000 prize pot. The 33 machines, 3 abreast, move down the asphalt track. Then, just a few seconds after the start, at the south end of the main straightaway, this happens. You see A.J. Foyt leaving his disabled car and climbing the fence, all in 10 seconds. Foyt won twice at Indianapolis. 16 cars are involved in the massive pileup. 11 will be unable to resume the race. Miraculously, no one is seriously injured. There is an 84-minute delay before the race is restarted. The survivors get underway in single file. Driven by Mario Andretti, fastest among the qualifiers, is trailing smoke, and he gets the black flag, retiring him from the race. Repeated wrecks and engine failures cut deeper into the field. Johnny Boyd is involved in one accident, Chuck Pulse and George Snyder in another. Cars in this race are valued at more than $50,000 each, so this is an expensive day at the Speedway. contest is now between car 24, Graham Hill, and car 19, Jim Clark, last year's winner. They complete the grind with Hill first, Clark second, and there are only 5 other finishers, the lowest number ever. Clark's sponsor claims the laps were miscounted, but a check of timing and scoring tapes confirms victory for Graham Hill of London on his first attempt. Climax to a most memorable 500.
Well, you could get the